Good morning, CMS. Today is Friday, October 2nd, 2020. Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right. First off, happy Friday. It's Spirit Day today, so you should be wearing your cloverleaf gear. With that being said, on today's menu for Choice A, we have Mandarin orange chicken, vegetable lo mein, steamed broccoli, celery sticks, fortune cookie, and fresh fruit. Choice B, we have meat lovers pizza. Monday's menu, we have spicy or regular chicken patty on a bun with lettuce and tomato, oven-baked fries, vegetable medley, and applesauce. Choice B, Bosco sticks with marinara. Breakfast for Monday, buttery maple snack and waffles, mixed berry cup and milk. And students, please make sure to fill out your forms before the day begins. Thank you. Attention all 8th grade boys, we've got basketball open gym starting up on Monday, October 5th. And that's next Monday. Like, open gyms start next Monday for you guys. And that's going to be taking place at the Rec Center from 2:45 to 5 p.m. If you have any questions, please see Mr. Murphy. All right, we're going to be moving to our shout-outs. And the first shout-out for 6th grade goes to Allison Franz. Allison Franz, congratulations. Today's 7th grade shout-out goes to Ethan Martin. Congratulations, Ethan Martin. Today's 8th grade shout-out goes to Ethan Daling. Ethan Daling. Congratulations. Our teacher shout-out goes to Mrs. Livingood. Mrs. Livingood. Congratulations. Bulletin board. The only thing on the bulletin board that we've had for basically the entire week is October 9th, which is CMS Picture Day. The quote of the day: everywhere you go, leave a glitter trail of kindness behind you. Students, remember your Colt pride. Be responsible, respectful, and safe. All right, that is a wrap for Friday's announcements. Please, students, have a wonderful weekend. Be safe, make good decisions, and be blessed.